Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a two different text color on Capcut. So here you just need to add your clips and then go to text and add your tags. Okay, for example like this. Then you can change the font into your favorite one. Okay, go to select any word that you want to change the color. Okay, I'm going to change it into this color, for example, and after that you can also add shadow if you want. And now go to animation, and for the in animation select the type 2 animation. Then click on the out and select fade out animation. Okay, click on the check icon and you are done. This will be the result. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on it. Thanks. Bye.